Okay, so this morning I was thinking, right, kids are back at school, I want to learn some Greek. So I thought I'll get out my Vyvo AI and see how good Anna is, see if she can speak Greek, number one, and number two, see if she can teach me some Greek. So let's see how it goes.
Hey Brian, good to have you back. What's on your mind today?
Anna, I was wondering if now that the kids are back at school, could you be my professional Greek teacher and teach me some Greek? Now I know absolutely no Greek, so if you could start off with the very, very first lesson and teach me some Greek so that I can use it every day, please.
Absolutely, Brian. Let's start with some simple everyday Greek phrases you can use right away, like saying hello, please, and thank you. Ready?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, first up, to say hello in Greek, you say yasu, yasu for friends or informal, and yasas, yasas, if you want to be polite or speak to a group. Try saying yasu for me.
Yasu.
Almost there. It's more like yasu, with a soft ah sound in the middle, like ya then su. Give it another shot.
Yasu.
Perfect. You nailed it, Brian. Now, how about thank you? It's efcharisto, efharisto. Want me to break it down for you?
Yes.
Sure. Say it like this. Ef as an effort, then ha like a soft laugh. Re like re in reef. And finish with stoch with a strong sto sound. Try efharisto.
Efaristo.
Just helping you with your Greek, Brian. Want to try saying efharisto again with me?
Efaristo.
Haha, close. It's efharisto. Not quite Harry Stowe, but hey, that's a fun twist. Want to try one more time?
Efaristo.
Almost got it, Brian. Say F like an effort, then ha soft like a laugh. And resto with stress on the last part. Restoke. You're really close. Want to give it one more try?
Efaristo.
Yes, that's it, Brian. Loud and proud. You're rocking this Greek already. Ready for the next phrase?
No, that's really good for now, Anna. Can you tell me what other languages you could teach me if I wanted to learn some more?
Oh, definitely. I can help you with Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Japanese, Chinese, Russian, and even a bit of Swahili, whatever tickles your fancy. Which one sounds fun to try next?
Oh no, I stick to Greek for the minute. I'll learn that over the next year and then we'll move on to someone else.
Sounds like a solid plan, Brian. Greek it is for now. I'll be right here to help you every step of the way. Ready whenever you want to practice again.
Bye, Anna. Thanks for that. So there you go. That's Vyvo AI. So I actually got my Vyvo AI to help me with my health and my wife's health. But as you can see, you can use it as your personal language tutor. Every single day, I get surprised at how many more things you can actually do with this AI. That's a completely live, unscripted demonstration. If you want to get the Vyvo AI, you can get it now with you can get a full year subscription with a discount right underneath this video. I definitely want all my friends and family to have this. This is why I'm doing these YouTube videos. As you can see, it's fantastic. It actually brings AI now to life rather than it just being I use ChatGPT, I use DeepSeek, I use Manus AI, I use Claude, I use Gemini, but this is actually making it really useful on a day-to-day basis. So anyway, links underneath the video. Get yourself Vyvo AI. Speak soon. Bye-bye.